This stock right here is up 624% on the day, with lows this morning at $4.20, reaching all the way up to highs of $32 today. That's almost 600% return in one day. What is going on with this stock? Let's jump into it. The stock is Saks Parente Gulf Incorporation, SPGC, and it IPO'd today with an expected price between $4 and $5 per share. Well, it opened at $4.20, but it took off from there, running from $4 all the way up to about $10, stabilizing throughout the day, halting multiple times, and then surging this afternoon from $10 all the way up to $27, pulling back, and then running up to $32 after hours. And these are all the different halts throughout the day that this went through. Multiple circuit breaker halts that just were out of control. Too many people trying to buy into this, sell out in large amounts, bigger than it was anticipating, and the volume just kind of took over. But you're probably wondering what this stock actually is. Well, according to the company, they design, manufacture, and sell technology-forward, high-quality golf equipment, which is comprised of putting instruments, golf shafts, golf grips, and related product groups. And it IPO'd, which means the company went public. But I do want to note, the company is not profitable and had a net loss of $3.5 million last year, wider than the loss of the $302,000 posted earlier this period. And revenue fell to $190,000 from $200,000 in 2021. So why are people jumping on this? Well, this is a perfect Wall Street bet stock. This is the big meme stock that we want to be looking at moving forward. This thing can completely run up to $50, $75, even $100 tomorrow. It has the potential based on what we've seen with past Wall Street bet names. And this is no joke. If it's run up from $4 all the way up to $32 in the after hours, this stock has a lot more upside. Now, yes, there is a very strong potential that it could dump tomorrow and go back down to single-digit dollars. But I'm telling you guys right now that this has a lot of potential to keep running higher. We've seen AMC, we've seen GameStop, we've seen a lot of these other bigger meme plays that started off, you know what, at single-digit dollars, in the teens, even 20s, and ran up to hundreds of dollars. Now, the only thing that's different is this is an IPO, which normally IPOs do get hyped up and then come back down. And normally within a day or two, they completely die off and actually sell off to lower where they started from. But this stock is different. This stock started at $4, ran up to the $32, but continued to hold above $20 in after hours with low volume and with halts, multiple halts throughout the day. So here's the game plan for tomorrow. You guys got to watch this thing early in the pre-market, check it out, see what's going on throughout the morning till about 9:15, 9:30. When market opens, this thing's going to be very volatile. If you're a short-term trader and want to get in on the quick bids within minutes or even hours throughout the day, then you want to watch this thing right as soon as it opens to see how it behaves. And honestly, I think we can start to scope out this $20 area. It touched it multiple times around this afternoon, and into after hours, it really tried to hold $20 pretty strong. So I think that $20 should be interesting. Now, if this thing tomorrow morning opens up at $40, $50, $60, $20 is out of the question. But $20 right now is a good area to watch for. I think you watch this thing throughout the day. I think that you jump in on the fun if you can get a good entry position and this thing really starts to take off. If we could break $32 right here, I think that this thing can jump to $40, $50 easily. I mean, this thing from 2 o'clock all the way to 2:57. Within the same hour, this thing jumped up from single-digit $8 stock to over a $27 stock and continued to hold the price above this $20 area. Even when the volume died off down here, the price still stayed above $20. So I think that this stock is a lot more room to run. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.